Hey everyone, King Piers back out in Lee Summit. Love working in Lee Summit. We've got a really unique project here simply because we're going to go from this job to the job next after this one, and we're going to actually do it at the same time. We're going to start it here in a little bit too as well. It's across the street, so that'll save us a lot of running and gas and stuff back and forth. So, but what we have here, this is a part of the basement that comes out. Upstairs here is a little dining area to drink your coffee, eat your breakfast, and it's at the footing. It's starting to fail and sink, so we're going to come and I'm going to put 4 piers in, one at each corner. Basically one there, and one over there in each corner. We're going to do these from the inside. I'd rather do them from the outside because we only got a small window to haul all this concrete. We'll saw the floors, jackhammer that out. We're going to have to haul all the debris out that window over there against the other wall, which is another part of this project I'll explain here in a second. So we got 4 King Pier 2s going in here. No problem. Then we just moved the pool table here. We're going to have to take some of the drop ceiling down, probably about 3 rows. The drywall's coming off. This wall's leaning inward, and it doesn't matter to me at this point how much leaning inward it is, but we're going to bring it back perfectly plumb, vertically level. Everywhere you put a 6-foot level of the bubble will be right between the 2 lines. So, but we got to take this drywall off. We're going to start digging on the outside, down to the footing from corner to corner to relieve that pressure because I can push air but I can't push earth. And then we'll come in here and we'll take some of this down. We're going to have to run 6x6 treated wood support beams running horizontally underneath the floor joists, verticals coming down to a floor jack, and we'll slightly raise the house up off the top of the foundation, relieving that pressure. Then once we do that, we come in, we'll pull the carpet back, we're going to bolt to the floor, 3-inch angle iron, 4-inch angle iron, whatever it is we got, to the floor, and we'll run our support columns with a hydraulic bottle jack bolted to the end of it. We use them over and over and over. We'll shim it in with a 1/4-inch steel shim. Sometimes we use a bolt. Once we get that set up, it's the preparation. It'd take literally 5 minutes to, I'd say 5 minutes to move this back to plumb. But it's the preparation that takes all the time of the digging and removing the drywall and all that. So that's it on this project. King Piers out here in Lee Summit. For all your foundation piering needs, call us 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.